Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel VGC on Dot. Myself Kanchan. Today in this video I shall discuss to you about few solved questions of biology asked in NEET medical test paper. So let's start. Now the first question: what are those structures that appears as beaded on string in the chromosomes when viewed under electron microscope? First, base pair, second, gene, थर्ड, न्यूक्लियोटाइड एंड फोर्थ, न्यूक्लियोसोम. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा न्यूक्लियोसोम. न्यूक्लियोसोम अपीयर्स एज बीडेड ऑन स्ट्रिंग इन द chromosomes under electron microscope. Nucleosome is composed of double-stranded DNA wrapped around an octamer of histone proteins. Four different type of histone proteins, that is H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Two nucleosomes are connected by a short segment of unbound DNA called linker DNA. Attach the H1 proteins in linker DNA. The next question: match the source gland with its respective hormones as well as the function. Source gland hormones function: first, thyroid, thyroxine regulate blood calcium level. Second, anterior pituitary, oxytocin, contraction of uterus muscles during childbirth. Third, posterior pituitary, vasopressin stimulate reabsorption of water in the distal tubules in the nephron. And fourth, कार्पस luteum, एस्ट्रोजन सपोर्ट प्रेगनेंसी. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी, vasopressin stimulate reabsorption of water in the distal tubules in the nephron. Posterior pituitary store the two hormones vasopressin and oxytocin. Vasopressin hormones stimulate reabsorption of water in distal tubules in the nephron. The next question: which of the following is correctly stated as it happens in the common cockroach? First, the food is ground by mandibles and gizzards. Second, Malpighian tubules are excretory organs projecting out from the colon. Third, oxygen is transported by hemoglobins in blood. And fourth, nitrogenous excretory product is urea. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा द फूड इज ग्राउंड बाय मैंडिबल्स एंड गिजार्ड्स. In case of cockroach, mandibles are a pair of hard, strong, large, dark-colored triangular structure which move in horizontal motion and crush food between them, when gizzards help in grinding the food particles. The next question: a large proportion of oxygen is left unused in the human blood even after its uptake by the body tissue. This oxygen first help in releasing more oxygen to the epithelial tissue. Second, act as reserve during muscular exercise. Third, raises the partial pressure on CO2 of blood to 75 mm of Hg. And fourth, is enough to keep oxyhemoglobin saturation at 96%. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा एक्ट एज रिजर्व ड्यूरिंग मस्कुलर एक्सरसाइज. आवर टिश्यू are able to utilize only 25% of oxygen carried by arterial blood. The venous blood is still 75% saturated with oxygen. The next question: which one of the following enzymes carry out the initial step in the digestion of milk in humans? First, trypsin. Second, pepsin. Third, renin. And fourth, lipase. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा पेप्सिन. इन ह्यूमन मिल्क प्रोटीन डाइजेस्टिंग एंजाइम इन स्टमक इज पेप्सिन. पेप्सिन एक्ट ऑन वाटर soluble carcinogen to form soluble casein protein. Pepsin combined with calcium salt to form insoluble calcium paracalcinate, which get readily digested enzymatically. The next question: which one of the following is not a part of renal pyramid? First, loop of Henle. Second, peritubular capillaries. Third, convoluted tubules. And fourth, collecting ducts. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा convoluted tubules. Loop of Henle, peritubular capillaries and collecting ducts found the renal pyramid. The next question: one very special feature in the earthworm Pheretima is that first, it has a long dorsal tubular heart. Second, fertilization of egg occurs inside the body. Third, the typhlosole greatly increases the effective absorption area of the digested food in the intestine. And fourth, the S-shaped state embedded in the integument are the defensive weapons used against the enemies. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा the typhlosole greatly increase the effective absorption area of the digested food in the intestine. In case of Annelida, intestine can be distinguished into three regions. First, pre-typhlosolar, second, typhlosolar, and third, post-typhlosolar. The main function of typhlosolar is increase the effective area of absorption in the intestine. The next question: two friends are eating together on a dining table. One of them suddenly starts coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of first tongue, second epiglottis, third diaphragm and fourth neck. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा epiglottis. Epiglottis is a leaf-shaped flap of cartilage located behind the tongue at the top of larynx, a voice box. The main function of epiglottis is to seal off the windpipe during eating so that food is not accidentally inhaled. The next question: arteries are best defined as the vessel which first carry blood from one visceral organs to another visceral organs. Second, supply oxygenated blood to the different organs. Third, carry blood away from heart to different organs. And fourth, break up into capillaries which reunite to form a vein. So इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा carry blood away from the heart to different organs. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart towards different organs, generally contain oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery which contains deoxygenated blood. The next question: bundle of fish is a part of which one of the following organs in human? First, pancreas, second, brain, थर्ड हार्ट एंड फोर्थ किडनी. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा हार्ट. बंडल ऑफ फिश या एबी बंडल इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ हार्ट मसल्स सेल स्पेशलाइज फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्शन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: द पर्पलिश रेड पिगमेंट रोडोप्सिन कंटेन इन द रॉड टाइप ऑफ फोटोरिसेप्टर सेल ऑफ ह्यूमन आइज इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट विटामिन ए, सेकेंड विटामिन B1, थर्ड विटामिन सी एंड फोर्थ विटामिन डी. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा विटामिन ए. इन रेटिना फाउंड टू टाइप ऑफ फोटो रिसेप्टर सेल दैट इज रॉड सेल एंड कॉन सेल. रॉड सेल कंटेन ए पर्पलिश प्रोटीन कॉल्ड रोडोप्सिन और विजिबल प्रोटीन रोडोप्सिन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ विटामिन ए. व्हेन cone cell mainly contain three photosensitive pigment. First, porphyrosin, second, iodopsin, and third, cyanopsin. The next question: which one of following plasma protein is involved in the coagulation of blood. First, fibrinogen, second, N-albumin, third, serum amylase and fourth, A-globulin. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा फाइब्रिनोजन. Fibrinogen is converted by thrombin into fibrin during blood clotting. Fibrin is the cross-linked by factor 8 to form a clot. The next question. When a neuron is in resting state, that is not conducting any impulse, the axonal membrane is first comparatively more permeable of potassium ion and nearly impermeable to sodium ion. Second, comparatively more permeable to sodium ion and nearly impermeable to potassium ion. Third, equal permeable to both sodium and potassium ion. And fourth, impermeable to both sodium and potassium ion. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा comparatively more permeable of potassium ion and nearly impermeable to sodium ion. Neurons are excitable cells because their membranes are in polarized state. Different type of selectively permeable channels are present on the neural membrane. Axonal membrane is comparatively more permeable to potassium ion and nearly impermeable to sodium ion. The next question. Which one of following correctly explain the function of specific part of humans nephron? First, afferent arterioles carry the blood away from the glomerulus towards renal vein. Second, podocytes create minute space for the filtration of blood into Bowman capsule. Third, Henle loop, most reabsorption of major substance from the glomerular filtrate. And fourth, distal convoluted tubules, reabsorption of potassium ion into the surrounding blood capillaries. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा पोडोसाइट क्रिएट माइन्यूट स्पेस फॉर द फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ ब्लड इनटू द वुमेन कैप्सूल. पोडोसाइट or visceral epithelial cells are the cell in Bowman capsule in the kidney that wrap around the capillaries of glomerulus. They create minute pore for the filtration of blood into the Bowman capsule. The next question. Given below is an incomplete table. Certain hormones, their source gland, and one major effect of each on the body in humans. Identify the correct option for the three blank A, B, and C gland secretion effect on body. A. Estrogen maintenance of secondary sexual character. Alpha cell of isolate of Langerhans. B. Raises blood sugar level anterior pituitary. And C. Over sections lead to gigantism. First, placenta glucagon calcitonin. Second, ovary glucagon growth hormones. Third, placenta insulin vasopressin. And fourth, ovary insulin calcitonin. सो इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा ओवरी ग्लूकेगॉन ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स. थैंक्स टू ऑल व्यूअर्स स्टूडेंट्स. I hope that you will like our video. So please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel VGC on Dot. Please share this video to your friends and to get the latest notification of new uploaded video. Please press the bell icon button. Thank you.